Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we will be reading these phrases. To read, children must know the letter sounds really well. Let's start. A, f, a, t, fat. At, cat, a fat cat. Now, can you try reading on your own? Follow the finger and read. Very good. A fat cat. Well done. At, pat. Say the sounds loudly and blend them. A, k, at, cat. Pat a cat. Now it's your turn. Read on your own. Very good. Pat a cat. A t I n tin. B o x box. A tin box. Now, can you read on your own? Let's do it. A tin box. A red, red. Hen. A red hen. Now follow the finger and read on your own. A red hen. Well done. A wet, wet. At, mat. A wet mat. You can practice writing these phrases. Your turn to read. A wet mat. Very good. A hot. Hot. Pot. Pot. A hot pot. Now you try reading. A hot pot. Very good. Cups. Cups. And mugs. Mugs. Cups and mugs. Now, can you read? Let's do it. Very good. Cups and mugs. You are reading really well. A pig. Pig. In. A wig. Wig. A pig in a wig. Now, will you try reading? Let's do that. A pig in a wig. Well done. A bed. Bed. Bug. A bed bug. A bed bug. Now you try reading on your own. Very good. A rag. Rag. Doll. A rag doll. Your turn. Double letters make only one sound. A rag doll. Ot spots. And pants. Pots and pans. Now you read. Pots and pans. A pen. Stand. A pen stand. Now you try reading. A pen stand. Very good. Well done. Keep practicing. Read and write these phrases again and again. Thanks for watching. See you soon.